Decoding the digital world, are Wati and Meta secretly holding hands? Or are they just ships passing in the night when it comes to WhatsApp business solutions? Let's dive straight into the burning question: what's the real deal with Wati and Meta? Are they the same company, partners, or something else entirely? It's a common question, especially if you're exploring WhatsApp business API solutions, so let's get started. Step 1. Understanding Wati. Wati is a popular platform that provides tools and services to help businesses leverage the WhatsApp business API. They make it easier to manage customer conversations, automate tasks, and build chatbots, all on the WhatsApp platform. Step 2. Meta, of course, owns WhatsApp. Meta provides the infrastructure, the WhatsApp business API that allows companies like Wati to build their services. Meta is the backbone, providing access to the WhatsApp ecosystem. Step 3. Here's the key point: Wati is not owned by Meta, but they are a partner within the WhatsApp business ecosystem. They use Meta's WhatsApp business API to offer their services. Think of it like this: Meta builds the road, and Wati builds the cars that drive on it. Step 4. To summarize, Wati isn't Meta, but it relies on Meta's WhatsApp business API to function. They operate as independent entities. Wati focuses on providing user-friendly tools on top of WhatsApp. Meta maintains and controls WhatsApp itself. So next time you come across #WATI Meta, remember it's a business partnership, not an ownership situation. Hopefully this clears up any confusion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more explainers.